What I wish I knew in 6th grade: the joy of creating something with your own hands. Today, we're diving into 10 easy DIY craft ideas that you can make right at home. These projects are perfect for all ages and skill levels, so let's get started. How to make these awesome DIY crafts. Let's get started. 1. Painted mason jars. Grab some mason jars, acrylic paint, and brushes. Paint them in funky colors and use them as vases or cool storage containers. 2. Homemade candles. Melt some wax, add essential oils, and pour into molds with wicks. Voila! Custom candles that smell amazing. 3. T-shirt tote bag. Got an old t-shirt lying around? Cut and tie it to create a reusable tote bag. Easy and eco-friendly. 4. Bottle cap magnets. Decorate bottle caps and attach magnets with hot glue. Unique fridge decor sorted. 5. Handmade soap. Melt a soap base, mix in essential oils, and pour into molds. Fresh, personalized soap bars ready to go. 6. Photo coasters. Stick your favorite photos onto tiles and seal with Mod Podge. Perfect for keeping those memories close. 7. Decorative pillows. Sew fabric into pillow shapes and stuff them. Cozy up your space with custom pillows. 8. Button art. Glue buttons onto a canvas in fun patterns. Instant quirky wall art. 9. Paper bead jewelry. Roll strips of old magazines around toothpicks and glue. String them together for unique jewelry. 10. Succulent planters. Plant succulents in small decorative containers. Easy to care for and super cute. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these DIY ideas, hit that like button and subscribe for more crafty fun. See you next time. And remember, creativity has no limits. Keep crafting and exploring new ideas.